Welcome, fellas, and welcome back to TechPress. So, if you have spent time online, you probably heard the term, especially in the world of the e-commerce, sounded complicated, which is the drop shipping. So it sounds complicated, but it's just a drop shipping. It's a super simple business model that lets you sell products without ever holding any inventory. So I'm going to break down the entire process from understanding the core concept to how to actually flows. And to get started, I'm going to be showing you an actual website where we currently have the drop shipping, and you can see how it actually works. So here we do have drop shipping in a Shopify store created. Here's my online store, and here are our products. And if I focus directly here into my collection, to here are my products, you'll be amazed that I can tell you that I don't hold any inventory. So I mean that right now I don't have this product, but I sell this product. So step one, what is the actual core concept? In a traditional retail model, a business buys products in bulk from a supplier, stores them in a warehouse, and then ships them customers when an order comes in. This requires a lot of upfront capital in a lot of spaces. So the drop shipping completely flips the model, because you as a store owner, you don't buy or store any product. Instead, you act as a middleman between the customer and the supplier. Think of it like as a bridge. So you simply list the supplier products to your own website, like if this was your own product, in this case in a Shopify store. So how the process that works when a customer places an order. When a customer comes to your online store and buys a product, they pay you the retail price you have set. The key here is that the money goes directly to you first. So once you have the customer order and payment, you then take their order details and forward them to the dropshipper suppliers. I'm going to explain this a little bit more by doing an actual drop shipping right away. Let's say that here into Shopify I have a specific store. Then I'm going to go directly into where I can locate products to sell, which in this case should be CJ Dropshipping, for example. I'm going to sign in directly into CJ Dropshipping. Then I check out which is the actual price of this product. What is the actual price? How it would be costing me. So it says $6 shipping from China. Selling in Shopify, shipping fee $11. So that means that I needed to make a summary here. Like, let's say that this product should be costing me $18. So the total is $17.97. So that means that if I sell this product into $30, for example, when I received a payment, I'm going to be earning $10 per sale. This is how the actual dropshipping works. So with how the process works when a customer places an order, this might be now the step number 2. The step number 3 is the supplier's role in the process. Now, when the suppliers receive your order and the payment, let's say for example that I select the product, I list this specific product into my store, and somebody goes directly into my website, select a product, and make the purchase. When they make a purchase, when they hit the option that says purchased, back directly here into Shopify, it should be appearing here, the section that says orders, and here should be appearing me the actual order. So when the supplier receives the order and the payment, this, for example, this specific orders goes directly here into the CJ dropshipping sections, and it will be appearing here into the store orders. So basically, automatically, all of these products, all of these orders should be imported into the dropshipper website that I chose. So this is where the supplier receives the order and the payment. They're responsible for packaging the product and shipping it directly to the customer. So they handle all the logistics. You never have to worry about the packaging, the labeling, or going to the post office, for example. Basically, all the information about who make the payment, who's the customer, the total, where I needed to deliver this, where is the specific address, all of this information goes directly to the supplier so they can be making the actual shipment. Now lastly, where you make your profit. Your profit is the difference between the retail price the customer pays you and the wholesale price you pay the supplier, just as I just told you. if this product cost a total of $18 on dropshipping, I needed to raise the price of that product so I can earn my profit. In my case, let's say for example this one costs $18. Well, I'm going to be raising this to $28 on my store. So at the end of the day, I'm going to be earning $10 per sale. And well, that's it. That's how the dropshipping model in a nutshell. It's a low risk way to start an e-commerce business because you don't have to invest in a massive amount of inventory. You can offer a huge variety of products without ever even touching them. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Express with more fast and easy solutions. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can see you guys next time.